Hi folks, Rod here with KT Connections for our monthly video tech tip. Last month we presented you with a couple of modules of Power Toys brought to us by Microsoft. Today let's concentrate on several more features of Power Toys. Over the next couple of months we'll highlight all the modules within the Power Toys utility. Microsoft Power Toys is a set of free open source utilities designed to help power users and developers get more out of Windows. Let's start with General, and then we'll take a look at Command Palette, Color Picker, and Light Switch. The General section of Power Toys simply introduces you to the welcome page, documentation, feedback, and keyboard shortcut conflicts, if any exist. Let's move over to Command Palette. This puts everything you need within just a keystroke. It can launch apps, run commands, search for files, browse the web, manage system resources, and much more. All from a single blazing fast interface that you can launch with a keystroke combo here or by clicking on the icon. And then within here, you have all these options. Color Picker lets you pick colors from any screen and copy them to the clipboard in configurable formats. This tool helps designers and developers quickly capture exact colors for their projects. Light Switch will automatically switch your Windows theme between light and dark modes based on the time of day. However, it can also configure Light Switch to change themes automatically using sunrise and sunset times in your location, or you can set custom schedules that work best for your daily routine. I suggest you take some time and investigate these features of Power Toys for Windows. Next month, our tech tip will highlight additional modules illustrating how it can help you with your productivity. So stay tuned.